Oh, kia ora everybody. My mission today is to go summit Mt Crichton, which has been high on my list for a while, with Flo, who likes to join me on my adventures. So it's about 1,870 meters, and we're starting at Avalanche Creek Car Park, which is right before Bennett's Bluff on your way to Glenorchy. There's several different ways to go up. A few of my coworkers have done this. I have no idea how long it's supposed to take. So once you get past the initial little track, it brings you up to this four-wheel drive track, and it goes left and right. We took a right, and we're gonna hope that the main trail to go up is somewhere over that way, because I have no idea. I don't think my waterproof boots are still waterproof anymore. My feet are very wet right now. So make sure you walk through this mangled little fence right here. So just on the other side of that little fence that I showed you, there's a little path that shoots right up the mountainside here. Look for these little guys on the way up. These are going to be your friends. They're going to help keep you at least relatively on the right path while you're heading up. They are few and far between, so don't put all of your hope into them, but they are good little markers. It's just so beautiful up here. Jesus. No, actually I have sunscreen running in my eyes and it fucking sucks. Make it stop. Okay, I'm okay. I'm good. Look at this. This is where all the goats live. They keep the grass nice and trimmed. There's shit literally everywhere, but it is a pretty cool little spot. Oh. So we found a little tiny spot of shade. There's a bunch of trails that kind of veer off in random directions, so my best advice is to find the most prominent one and follow that. And then just kind of look ahead too to make sure that you're not going somewhere that you don't really want to go.
Sometimes you've just got to take the pain. I'm going under.
She's going through the matagari bushes.
And you know what? Sometimes it's alright being small. That wasn't that bad.
My turn. Yay. Oh god. I should have fucking put a shirt on. Owie. Owie. Owie, owie, owie. Ouch. Oh. Ouch. God damn it. That was not fun. Made it. Ugh. Love putting on cold, sweaty backpack. So we've followed the fence line pretty much all the way up with it on our left, and now we've come to where the fence just splits off right and left. So I can see a little marker just to the left on the other side of the fence is up here. So now I'm gonna cross over and see what happens. So it would appear that was the last little marker. When going off track, it's always a good idea to leave little markers for yourself. You know where to go on the way back, and since there's no distinct path anymore, we're gonna build ourselves some little rock cairns so we can hopefully find them on the way back and not get lost. See this area right here, this exposed rock. It's very distinct pretty much the whole way up, but we're gonna try to go up around the left of it. See this shit right here? This is called speargrass. It is pointy as shit. Do not touch it. So we're gonna try following this little rocky, dried up creek bed here. Make it a little bit easier than constantly having to bush bash, but just got to be careful that we don't twist an ankle or step on a rock that's just going to slide out from under us. Oh god. It's a long way down. Going back is gonna suck. Whew. It's pretty sweet. Even though I kinda wanna die right now. Snow. So it's pretty brown because a couple weeks ago we got a lot of smoke from Australia, from the fires in Australia, came over this way and just pretty much covered this entire area. And a lot of it settled right here on the snow. So I wouldn't recommend eating this. I'll maybe dig down a little bit, fill up my water bottle. My masterpiece. Wow. We're sure as shit not going that way. Oh yeah, it's just all mud.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is amazing.
Yeah.
We made it to the top. It is pretty goddamn awesome. Lake Isobel right there, but it looks like a bit of a mish to get down, and we don't want to run out of daylight, so we'll just enjoy the view from up here. And damn, this is, I don't even know what to say. It's fucking awesome. After 9.5 hours, we made it all the way back down to this nice little oasis where we can drink all the water. It's so good. Good mission.
So good.
Good mission.
So good. An epic mission.